Hello everyone, so today I'm going to talk about the calendar apps that you can build using Assembly Studio. It basically replaces your Google Calendar, but it does live inside your Assembly portal, so scheduling with clients happens exactly where the rest of your client work already is. It looks just exactly like a standard Google Calendar, or even better. You could months, week, or day view. You can filter by guests, either internal or your clients. You also have settings where you can change display or date format. Rescheduling is also super easy. You can just drag an event to a different time and your clients or internal users will get notified. Scheduling an event also requires very few steps. You just add a title, you can add guests, location, let's say it's Zoom. You have more options as well. You can add a reminder, change the color, anything you want. Let's create the event. Ta-da! So we have a meeting from 5 to 6. Let's see if our user Kevin got the invite. So this is Kevin's profile, and I can see that he has a meeting. It's visible in his calendar from 5 to 6. So let's accept it. Ta-da! He accepted the invite, and now let's see if I can see it on my own personal portal that our guest accepted. Yay! I can see that Kevin accepted, and this is how simple to use the calendar app using Assembly.